Okay, Scott, this is for you. So you need to be on a Chrome browser, first of all, because all Google products work better on Chrome. I just went to a Google search screen, and you'll see that I am signed in over here. You need to sign in because that will mean all the stuff you do in Google will be connected to your Google account. So if you're not signed in, it'll say sign in or something like that up in the upper right. So do that, and then it should have an S right here for, since you probably won't have a picture. So then you can go to this 9 square here and go to Drive. So the other way that I do that is I just type drive.google.com into my URL. And then it just takes me directly here. It might ask you to sign in. So you'll see that I have a whole bunch of stuff. Well, you don't need to worry about all of that. I'll just show you how to create your very first spreadsheet. So you're going to go up here to New, to that plus, and then it'll give you a lot of options. You're going to go here to Google Sheets, and then it should just show you one of these. So you're going to title it whatever you're going to do, signups. And then you're going to do whatever, like you can drag these just like Excel. So if you, I don't know what you're going to have the student sign up for, but you can do different times, different whatever days, and you can put times here. And then you can have the students sign. Here's what's really cool about this is that you don't have to save things. Once you share it, and I'll show you that in a minute, once you share it with the student, all you have to do is give them this link and it'll send them to it. They type in it and it saves it. No save required, no sending it via email or any of that. Okay, so you type in here just like normal. You might say students' names, and then over here, Monday, Tuesday, however you want to do it, whatever you want to do. And if I'm doing a sign up thing, I usually do like, I'll change the colors of these just so it's differentiated for them so they can see. You can also do like freeze a row. If you go to highlight a row and then go to view and freeze, freeze, and then do one row, it'll freeze that top row. No matter how far you go down, you can still see the headers. You see that they're not changing. So anyway, I do that all the time. And then, so here is the main thing. You need to go over here to this share button, and you'll notice it says private only to me right now. First of all, you're going to click on that Get Shareable link, and it'll open up this other option here to where you need to click on the Can View, and then anyone with a link can edit. And that will give your students the opportunity to be able to sign up for something, edit that cell without you having to invite every single person with an email address. And some people are worried about privacy or whatever, but as long as you just share that link with your students, other people are not going to be able to find this on the internet. So you don't need to worry about that at all. So you would just then get this, copy that, the URL up there, put it in an email or a Blackboard announcement on there, and they should be able to come here, and as long as you've developed whatever it is, the spreadsheet, and tell them the directions, then they should be able to do that. And to see it, you would just go back to your Google Drive and put it here. It does it in alphabetical order, so you see I have a lot of stuff that I've not filed yet. But anyway, it'll keep it in your Google Drive, and you'll be able to go back to it and see what students are signing up for. One more thing before I go. If you go up here to Tools and you go to Notification Rules, I love this aspect of spreadsheets and forms. Anytime any changes are made, you can have them notify you on your Google account. And you might just do Daily Digest. And because if you want to know that people are signing up for days or for times, then it gives you a notification. And so you can save that, or you don't have to do that at all. I do it all the time because sometimes I forget that I have people signing up for things. So I always have it send me notifications. So again, change the sharing settings to anyone with a link can edit, and then share that link with them. One more thing. Another great thing about this is even after you send them a link to sign up for things, you can still be making changes. Like I could share this link with you right now, and I could go back after I send you the link, and I can do Wednesday, Thursday, whatever, because this is a live document now. So the link doesn't change, just the things on the document are going to be changing. And that's it. Just let me know.